My Disney Stores and Friends Level 3, Unit 2, Lessons 6 and 7. I like. I don't like. I like a strawberry. I like a strawberry. I don't like a strawberry. I like a candle. I don't like a candle. I like a cake. I don't like a cake. I like a balloon. I don't like a balloon. I like an ice cream. I don't like an ice cream. I like a present. I don't like a present. I like a party hat. I don't like a party hat. I like a party bag. I don't like a party bag. I like a birthday card. I don't like a birthday card. Job. Goodbye.